Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out this vintage mousetrap from Canada. It was first patented on May 19th, 1987, and on the bottom of each trap is printed Safeset. It's known as a Safeset Mousetrap, but was also sold under the brand name Le Trap and Madame's Mouser. It says it's ready to use, pre-baited, easy to set, convenient, you never have to touch the mouse, proven effective and humane. So let's take this trap out of the package and see how it works. Here's the Safeset Mousetrap. It's really easy to set. You just push back this tab, it locks into place. You can see where the bait is. The mouse will come along, want to get that bait, and you got him. It's not very powerful, that's why they call it a Safeset. So it works more as a choking than an instant kill trap. And if you use this trap in your house and a child got into it, it doesn't hurt. So even though it's not very powerful, I think it will catch mice. Let's go set it up in the barn with motion cameras and see if we can get a wild mouse with the Safeset, aka Le Trap, aka Madame Mouser mousetrap. Last night we set up this plastic Safeset mousetrap from Canada in the barn and we got a mouse. To release him, you push back this tab, give it a little flip. Now this trap works more as a choker style than an instant kill trap. I had to be really selective in the footage that I show. If you want to see the full sequence of this trap in action, I'll put a link in the description below so you can see my hidden channel. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.